tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never.
And start tapping on the side of your hand. Even though I feel all this regret because of that thing, I accept myself and this feeling. And even though I feel so much regret when I remember that thing, all I have to do is just notice this feeling. I don't have to do anything with it except notice. And right here, right now, I'm okay. And even though just thinking about that thing, I feel all this regret, I honor myself and this feeling. Top of the head, all this regret. Eyebrow, just noticing how much regret I feel when I think about that thing. Side of the eye, all this regret. I just regret it so much. Under the eye, just thinking about that thing, I feel so much regret. Under the nose, a part of me wishes it never happened. I feel so much regret. Under the mouth, I feel all this regret when I think about that thing. I wish it never happened. Collarbone, all this regret. Just noticing how I feel all this regret when I think about that thing. Under the arm, all this regret. Good. Go ahead and take a deep breath. And relax. And just tune in to that feeling of regret when you think about that specific thing. And just notice if that number has changed at all. You may need more than one round, like the previous tapping round that we did, in order for you to feel a shift. Okay? So keep tapping.
Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me.
So once you've gotten that feeling of regret about that specific thing that came to mind, once you've gotten that number down to about a 2 or less, or you just feel kind of ready to release it, ready for a new perspective, ready for a reframe, this is the tapping sequence for you.
Think you're great. Root of tradition.
Go ahead and start tapping on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though I may still have some lingering regret about this thing, I am open to the idea that maybe I can be at peace with it. Top of the head, I choose to believe that I'm being guided by the universe. Eyebrow, there is good and bad in every experience. Side of the eye, I am open to finding out what was good in this experience. Under the eye, I am open to seeing this situation from a different perspective. Under the nose, I'm staying open to the idea that maybe things happen for a reason. Under the mouth, I realize that holding on to regret keeps me in the past and prevents me from seeing the good that is in front of me right now. Collarbone, I choose to let go of any way that this regret may be affecting me on a mind-body level. Under the arm, I choose to let go of any way that this regret is interfering with my current reality and my ability to move forward. Good. Go ahead and take a deep breath and relax.